Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your US Bank credit card to PayPal. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to start using your US Bank credit card with PayPal. How do you actually connect both of them together? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. But in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log onto the US Bank app. Next, click on the hamburger icon on the upper left-hand corner. Next, click on Manage Cards. Next, click on the credit card which you want to connect to PayPal with. Now from here, we're going to click on Add to Digital Wallets, and then you're going to have a multitude of different options of available wallets. Simply click on Add Card next to PayPal, and there you have it. From here, follow the on-screen prompts in order to go ahead and connect the US Bank credit card with PayPal. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and connect your US Bank credit card with PayPal. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.